Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can edit your videos, upload it to your account on Dropbox. Yes, you're right, you can actually edit video clips using your account or storage here on Dropbox. And I'm going to show you really quickly how to do that with very little effort and skills in video editing whatsoever. So let us get started. Head over to dropbox.com, log into your account. And of course, first you will need to upload a video clip to your account to edit it here on Dropbox. So I already uploaded that video here in MP4 file format. So what you want to do, guys, is simply left click on it to access it in the quick view or through the quick view feature. Or alternately, you may enter the editing mode in full screen if you double click on the given video file, just like that. So let me do that here for demonstration purposes. And what you want to do after that, guys, is simply take a look at these editing options here at the top. So for instance, if I click on edit here on that arrow down icon, I will be given access to a variety of editing and customization tools like trimming, cropping, rotating to the left, to the right, flipping, and so on and so forth. We see the play button below. So just for the sake of this tutorial, if I select the trimming tool, I will be given access to that timeline here at the bottom. So guys, to trim your video, simply left click on the edge here to the left or to the right and move it here along your timeline to trim your video, just like that. For instance, confirm or save your changes, your trimming in this case here, by clicking on save changes in the top right corner. Decide whether you'd like to replace the original or create a copy with your editing. So I'm going to save it as a copy, wait for the saving process and the editing process to be finished, and after a moment your copy will be displayed here in your list of uploaded files. So if I double click on it, guys, you will see that this copy is shorter than the previous version, so the trimming has actually been applied. So that's basically it, guys. That's how you edit videos in Dropbox. Hope you enjoyed the video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.